how to deal with arthritis, and how it affects your life. Arthritis is a type of joint disease that can affect all of the joints in the body. It can also affect different parts of the body, such as the spine, hips, and feet. It is estimated that about 1/3 of people with arthritis will eventually require a joint replacement surgery. Arthritis can be classified into different types depending on where in the body it affects and how long it lasts. These include osteoarthritis. This type typically affects weight-bearing joints like knees and hips. Rheumatoid arthritis. This type is an autoimmune disorder and most often affects joints like wrists and hands. Gout, a common and complex form of arthritis that affects the toes and feet. Ankylosing spondylitis. This type usually affects vertebrae. Numerous medications are available to treat arthritis pain. However, many people have found it beneficial to use natural remedies to alleviate their discomfort. One of the most popular is turmeric, which has been found to reduce inflammation and improve mobility in several studies. As a matter of fact, scientists have now developed a new form of turmeric that's more easily digested than other forms. It's called turmeric. The most important thing is to make sure that your joints are not being constantly put under pressure. This will help you with the inflammation and bring down the pain levels. Starting early with the right treatment could make a world of difference for you when it comes to your quality of life and ability to do things like work or play with your kids.